Hello and welcome. In this video, we will be discussing how to join a WhatsApp group using a QR code. This is a quick and easy process that anyone can follow, and we will guide you through it step by step. To join a group by QR code, you first need to create a WhatsApp group. Once you have created the WhatsApp group, open the WhatsApp on your mobile phone and open the group chat. Now click on the group name on top of the screen and now scroll down to Add Participants tab. Click on the Invite via Link button. Note, you can only invite via link only if you are the admin of group. If you are not, then you can ask your group admin to generate the QR code, or you can ask them to make you the group admin. There can be multiple admins for a single group. Now you will see an option to share QR code. Click on the QR code button and then tap on the share icon on top right corner of the screen. This will help you share this QR code with your friends. Now let's see how you can join a group using QR code. Go back to your WhatsApp chat tab and click on the three dots on top right corner of your screen. Now from the menu appeared, click on the settings button, and next to your name, you will see an icon of QR code. Click on that icon and now swipe to scan a QR code. This will open your camera to scan the code. Now scan the QR code your friend sent you, and from the menu appeared, click on the Join Group button. And now you are also a member of the group. That's it. This is how you can join a WhatsApp group using QR code. I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Cheers.